application I am going to show you. First application. What is the aim of the application? Please see here. My screen is visible. I am sharing my screen. Please check my screen is visible or not, sir. Write a Python program. Yeah, write a Python program to crack the password. Now I want to crack password in your laptop. How do I can do it? See here, I'm going to execute this program and I'm guessing your password. I'm guessing your password. I'm declaring from random import. I am importing some function called random. Then user pass is a variable. Input, enter your password. I am entering suppose ABC. See, Indians usually keep small passwords, simple password. Enter your password. So I am storing alphabet letters to use them to crack password. In the password variable, I am storing all the alphabets. Then initializing an employee empty string, that is called guess. Then using while loop to generate many passwords until one of them does not matches your password. Then I am checking with the combination while guess is not equal to user password, then guess. Generating random password using for loop. I am using for loop and it can generate password and printing that letters. What? That printing guessed password, print guess. So now see, I am executing this program. I am executing this program. Please see here. First, let me open notepad space program1.py. That is the aim of the program. So now it is there in CD space downloads. I kept all the programs in downloads. Now I am opening notepad space p1.py program1. Now see, write a Python program to crack the password. So same program, just now I have explained. Now see here, I am executing Python space p1.py. So what it is, see, enter your password. I am entering ABC. Suppose whenever you are logging into your system, suppose you kept only ABC. Now it is checking. My system is running. See now, my system is running and it is showing, it is checking with all combinations. How many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets are there. See, now I got the output. What is my output, Vivek? Please tell me the answer. Your password is
ABC.
Yeah, very good. Your password is ABC. So same program, if you execute, suppose I am giving some other password. So Python space, suppose 1, 2, 3. If suppose I am giving 1, 2, 3. Yeah, please see now. It is checking. It is searching and checking. It is in infinite loop. It is checking. See, for a 3-digit number also, it is taking too much time. Please see, my dear participants, my dear students. I am checking with help of program what type of password you have given. See, for 3 number digits, how much time it is taking. So don't keep simple passwords. Better you can keep a strong password with combination of small letter, capital letter, and with a special character. So it takes so much time to execute 3 numbers also. That's why better you keep. So if you keep a simple password like BCA, suppose BCA, so it will give immediately because I kept all the 1, 2, 3. See, I kept all 26 alphabets. It is displaying BCA.